Who's ready for another water safety video? We know we are. Today we're going to be working on face submersion and breath control. Again, this is just to increase that comfort level with getting their face wet. You'll notice a lot with kids, they'll want to hold their nose, they'll get really distraught with when they get water in their nose. So what we're going to talk about is how to prevent that.
Perfect. That was awesome!
Don't think that you have to go to the store and pick up any specific water toys or anything like that. Even if you've got some loose change, your child can swim to the bottom of the pool to pick that up to practice those skills. What we'll work on next week is another survival skill when we talk about floating on your front, floating on your back, and rolling between those. Be sure to check out our website, follow us on social media, and remember, go Tiger.